Hello and welcome everyone on YouTube Variety Stick, and we back again for another video. And today's video we're gonna be doing unboxing and mini review for the LG Reble 4. This phone should be available through Simple Mobile, Total Wireless and Straight Talk. So if you watch this video and you're willing to get the same phone through Total Wireless Straight Talk, that should be the same phone. So without any further ado, let's find out. There you go. This is how the package look like. It opened like a book, and first thing first, you will be able to see the phone itself and some actually plans through Simple Mobile. They offer $25 for 3 gigabytes right now. It's not 1 gigabyte, limited time offer. They have truly unlimited including hotspot. $40, it's 12 gigabytes, not 6 gigabytes. So they should update the information on the package itself. But as you guys can see, this is how the package is gonna look. This is a new phone, fresh phone, just came out recently through Simple Mobile. And as I said before, Simple Mobile Total Wireless Straight Talk is owned by TracFone, so that should be the same phone. So if you're watching this video and you are interested to get the Total Wireless one, Straight Talk or whatever, there should be the same phone unboxing today. Also, let's speak a little bit about the specification in this device. So first of all, as you guys can see, we have a high definition display, 5 inches. So this phone, it should be a budget device, and it cost me $79. It's a very affordable price, and Simple Mobile has a deal. If you activate the phone, you should get $20 discount on the phone, which is good if you start a new number. And the operating system should be Android 8.1. Battery is removable. Good news for people still seeking for removable battery. This phone has 2500 milliamp hour battery, and it's removable this time around. For the internal memory, it's fair for the price, only 16 gigabyte storage, Wi-Fi capability, and we have 8 megapixel camera for the rear and 5 for the front, and we have 1.4 gigahertz processor, Snapdragon 425. Now, after explaining all the specs, the features, let's go into the phone itself, open the box and see how the phone's gonna look like and what comes in the phone. So they have some tape over here, so let me just go ahead and try to remove it. Open the box, and the box is not easy to open. Little difficult to open. There you go. They have glue it as well. There you go. Finally got this thing to open, and inside the package there is another plastic package. Let me set this on the side and open the lid. And here is the phone itself. As I mentioned before, this phone has a removable battery, so the back and the battery should be inside the package. 5-inch, looks similar to the LG Reble 2 or the LG Resto 2, so I'm kind of like familiar with this look. And the phone is made out of plastic. The frame and the back is a plastic. SIM card pre-installed in the phone. Power key should be located on the back. Flash, 8 megapixel camera. And let's go ahead, open this. We have a charger. That's not a fast charger. It's like a just LG regular adapter. And we have no USB-C, of course. It's just like a mini type for charging. And we have the back itself. It's like a matte black. Let's go ahead and have a look. And it has some textures to it. They give you a grip and feeling, and doesn't make the phone or the back of the phone, the fingerprint is not gonna be shown on it, as you guys can see, which is a good addition. Still, if you are searching for a phone that has of course, here's some manual information, activation information for Simple Mobile, and here is the battery. And let me show you the battery. Regular battery looks like Resto 2, Resto 1, Reble 2, Reble 3. 2500 milliamp hour battery. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just replace everything in the phone, the battery, the back, and actually I'm gonna play in the phone a little bit, check the performance, check the camera, check the main features, and we will come back to you. Now, after spending a little bit of time playing in this device, let me tell you a few things. So if you are attempting to buy this phone, you're not gonna expect much from phone like this one. This phone, it will be good if we go back 3 years ago. I would say this is a very beautiful phone, has a good features and everything. But right now in 2018 or 2019, you buying phone like this one, you just have to understand this phone does few things for you. It's not gonna do many things for you. If you want to just download few applications, take some pictures here and there and make phone calls, that would be a good phone for you. Other than that, don't ask much about phone like the Reble phone. Now, as I said, the size screen is 5 inches high definition, but look to the brightness and the angle view, and I have the screen on the high level of brightness. So the screen doesn't have good amount of brightness. The resolution is okay because the screen only 5 inches, not big phone anyways. And one of the problems also the ratio, but I can't complain much. Look how this phone has big bezels over here comparing to the other phone that has bezels display and adopting the 18:9 ratio. As well as the features very limited in this device. For instance, if you just go over here to the toggles in the top, you're just gonna see features that comes with every smartphone you buy. So like power saving mode, flash, data enabled, no NFC, no casting, nothing like this, no fingerprint, no face recognition or anything like that. The good things about the phone that has the latest operating system, it's the Android Oreo, has app drawer, like most of the phones I review recently doesn't have app drawer in LG, but you can enable this by going to the settings. But this phone came with the app drawer out of the box. I didn't play in the settings of the phone. Some applications pre-installed in the phone like Facebook and smart cleaning. It's a good way to clean the cache. They make your phone faster by the time. And let's go to the settings on the phone and show you how they're gonna look. Normally with LG phones everything has to be categorized and organized, but that's not the case over here. You have the smart cleaning over here, sound, display, lock screen, network for hotspot, and Wi-Fi calling. Some other features you guys may be familiar with. Speaking about performance in general, since this phone has Snapdragon 1.4, the speed 425 the model, it should be good. You can download few apps here and there, but watch what you app because anything could slow your phone down. The phone has 2 GB of RAM. This is satisfying a little bit. So 2 GB maybe is the basic. Like there is no phone you can get less than 2 GB. So basically this is very budget device. Going to the camera, I mean absolutely the back camera, it takes good pictures, because I don't see the pictures good because back to the display, and we have IPS display high definition, but as you guys can see here with the low light indoor, it takes sharp pictures. I don't have much problems with the back camera, but by going to the front camera there's another picture taken inside indoor. When you have enough lights, I don't think so you have any problems dealing with the camera. But look to the front camera. First of all, there is no beauty mode in this device for selfie. You gotta take picture, and the camera even doesn't help to bring good pictures. If you guys can look to the background here, you'll see it's washed out white and the color mixed with my hair over here. So yeah, the front facing camera 5 megapixel does really terrible job over here. But going to the application and look to the settings, you have some modes over here, auto or flash, jump out, and some filters over here to change colors. And then this is how you go from the front and the back camera. So nothing else, just some settings to change the shutter speed. Of course the camera has some gestures to take pictures for selfie. Open your hand, make a face, and the phone should take a selfie picture. Help a lot for hands free. And you can say some words like LG, cheese, whiskey, and the phone should respond when you enable these features in the camera. I'm not going through that anyways. I just want to highlight the main features for the camera. No manual mode, no slow motion. Do not expect much from phone with this range of price. So this phone good for who? The people seeking low price budget device, 16 gigabyte, 2 gigabyte of RAM, camera, take pictures, download few applications, not high expensive phone. This will be perfect for them. But if you want to buy a phone and you want to push the limit, download games, play many apps, you want to take pictures, like as a daily driver device for people, I don't recommend this phone for those people. And I believe that was very much it for that video. I wish you guys find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more videos on Variety Stick. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and don't miss the future videos by enabling the bell button. This is very important, and encourage me to download or upload more videos for you by hitting the like button and leave a comment if you have a question. Thank you so much again. As always, we'll see you in the next video.